Welcome to this use case video on modifying alerts for a job stream to reduce alert noise. In this video, you'll see how an IT operations supervisor uses AAI to reduce alerts on a job stream, so her operations team gets only those that are important, significantly reducing alert noise during their monitoring efforts. Meet Andy. She's an IT operations supervisor at Apex 10, a fictitious global financial services firm. She's responsible for configuring job streams across the many schedulers she is responsible for. In this scenario, Andy needs to reconfigure the alert settings for the daily stock reconciliation job stream. Her operations team has been receiving a high volume of alert emails, many of which are non-critical. Andy wants to reduce the noise so her team can focus only on the alerts that truly matter. From her filtered job stream runs timeline view, Andy locates the daily stock reconciliation job stream. She clicks the action menu next to the job stream and selects Edit Alert Criteria. This opens the Alert Settings dialog. On the Settings tab, Andy notices that all alert types are active for this job stream and email notifications are enabled for all, even for alerts with low severity. Andy begins by modifying the late start time alert in the Start By Alerts category. She enables both SNMP and email notifications, as this timely visibility into potential delays is essential for this job stream. She then changes the severity of this alert from normal to major. Next, in the SLA alerts category, Andy disables the back on track and exceeded deadline alerts and retains only the predicted late alert, again enabling both SNMP and email notifications for this alert type. In the Run Alerts category, Andy retains the Not Predicted to Finish or NPTF alert since this alert will help her team monitor dependent processes. She activates the Target Job Started alert with just an email notification so her team can monitor process handoffs efficiently. Andy then clicks the Email Addresses tab on the To Specify who should receive the configured alerts. She routes the notifications to her operations and IT teams, ensuring critical alerts reach the right audience. In the Blackout Period tab, she modifies the criteria to disable notifications on weekends since this job stream supports stock reconciliations only on weekdays and not during the blackout period. Andy then saves the settings. She sees a notification on screen confirming all her selections for this job stream. With that, we conclude this use case scenario on editing alert settings for a job stream to reduce noise. Before we wrap up, let's have a quick recap of what we learned from this scenario. In this video, we learned that you can edit alert settings for an existing job stream from the Job Stream Runs timeline view. You can evaluate and modify alert types, severity levels, and notification methods. Retain only meaningful alerts that support efficient monitoring. Enable SNMP traps and email for targeted alert response. Route alerts to the right teams to reduce noise and streamline response, and define blackout periods for when the runs have no business impact. With that, we conclude this video on reconfiguring alerts for a job stream. Thank you.